All right, y'all, found a parking spot right up front, so
Let's go see if they got any left. I don't see a 10 millimeter yet. I'm probably just looking right over it. Alright, let's see what we can find here. 223. 762 by 54. Wait. 762 by 39. 762 by 39. So here it is. This is what they got. Now they had this a week ago when I was here, so they probably got more. They're just not selling it. Actually, 6'5", 6'5", 762 by 39. Look at this, $650 for 1,000 rounds. All right, well, the employee there actually told me they're getting all their back order from last year. They're getting it now, so they're getting truckloads of it.